So walking towards the Greenfields Island bus stop on the Stillorgan Road, or N11. So I've got the shoreline on my left hand side, which is there's a wall. Now there's kind of a drainage channel here underfoot. We've got grass. So the crossing point, there's a little curb and it's dishing, and there's 2 rows of blister tactile. We're going to cross the cycle lane and hope for the best. On the opposite side now, there seems to be some cycle parking. So this is the accessible bus stop curb. Whoa, on the right hand side.